found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Good girl, Cherry. Hurricane force winds, blow down one eye, what do you? So guys, our noni tree got blown down.
Come, Melissa, come pick up the bigger one, the full one, then put them in a basin, man.
Yeah, come. Where basin there?
Sit right in front of you.
So noni is good for inflammation. Hey, what noni good for, mommy? You don't know, really and truly.
No, but it's good for you.
It's good for a lot of things. Cool. I've got to do some research for noni. Mommy, when they look so they ripe, look. If you pick them when I look so. Hmm? How do I know when they ripe?
No, just pick off the bigger one, them. They're not ripe. They're not ripe because it's cheap. Blow it down. So you pick off them big one, they were full. I'm going to put them in a bucket. All them they were just off a go.
Cold, it's good for cold, I know that. It's good for stomach issues.
Stomach issues.
Stomach.
I'm going to wash them and put them in a bucket.
So guys, we're heading to another noni tree. So noni is good for... Mommy, me alone can just say something I would not... So, I'm not sure now. See them also. Noni is good for arthritis, improve your skin, anti-aging, build your immune system. What else? What else me tell you say? Itching of the scalp. If you have scalp irritation, it's very good for that as well. So I just googled it and found out the information. So we have a lot of noni trees. So we are going to go on next tree go pick some because mommy I go put them in a warm pan if you make it drain naturally. Because when they're ripe, I'm sure no one green one. This is a green one basically. And this is a ripe one. So we are going to go on next tree because we are going to pick them, wash them so that mommy can have them for drain. So she have a scalp issue, so she can probably use it on it and see it works. So yeah, that I don't know. So guys, we're going to wash them now. I think you're going to show me now this bucket here.
Yeah.
So when you're done with them, what you do with them?
After them drain, after them, the juice drain out of them, me strain it. How the man to come from my bucket? See me. So after the juice, strain.
After the juice drain out outside.
Me strain it and buckle it.
And what you do with it? Drink it?
Of course.
No sweetener?
No sweetener. You can just put a little honey in it and you can keep as long as ever. And when you're ready, you can take a
teaspoon.
No, you can take a little. Something like what the DPH buckle. Little plastic something. Just take a cork full of that and, you know.
Like how corona growing, you know, good for, because they say build your immune system. That means anything in that ear fight you off.
So people, if you have a noni tree at home, you can pick the nonis, put them in a bucket, and let them drain, the juice drain out of it.
Naturally.
Natural. Then you strain it. Strain it properly. You can strain it twice. And then you can buckle it.
You know, so they say if you use like cotton, like fabric, to strain stuff, you get a better straining out of it.
Yeah, because a baby nappy or something, you know, so then something again.
Like a big strain of me, that can use.
Yeah, so that after you, when you use broccoli, you need to strain broccoli.
Or macaroni, pasta.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so these are they. We're going to wash them, place them in the bucket, and leave them. So how long you leave them for?
You can stay as long as you
in a bucket?
Yeah.
So when you throw the water, when you throw the juice, right? You're going to take them out of the bucket and make it make them stay there.
If it drain out enough, you can just dispose of that, that set and prepare for another one.
Okay. So guys, there you have it. The noni process. So let me just run through again for you. If you have the tree, right, normally they fall off the tree naturally. Once they fall, you pick them up, you wash them, put them in a bucket, have them drain naturally. Then you throw out the whatever drain out there, you throw out that and strain it. If the noni itself not suck out, dry out, you make it stay in the bucket and continue draining.
Add more, you can add more.
And you can keep adding to it because it is all natural. And as I said, it boosts your immune system, and it has a lot of health benefits. It's good for your skin as well. It improves your skin. I don't like how it smell. I never drink it before. Mommy always drink it. So once you strain it, you put it like in a little bottle and you take a shot, like a DPH car cover or a tablespoon to a little bit. And then you'll be good to go.
You can add a little honey to it.
Yeah.
To preserve it. You can keep as long as you want.
For preservation, you can add a little honey to keep it as long as possible. You know that the longer you have it, the more you cure. Not so like wine.
Yeah.
So
like wine.
So that's your little noni tip. All natural fruits that you can grow in your backyard. I'm gonna show you guys in the bucket and show you what I look like. Should put it to your side. Let me see some of my juice. Okay, see the on Heidi. See. Oh. There's a juice that you get from it. So you strain that. And then now you add your honey for preservation. Oops. So close off the vlog for me. Please remember to
subscribe. Melissa Skylife.
Give this video a thumbs up.
And leave a comment and remember to click the subscription button. What you say?
Entanglement. I lie. I know one day. I know one day. One more in the top. Somebody take one with pear them. Care by pear. Mama see one right here so. Oh, if you catch me? Mommy catch it.
Melissa, look at my flowers.
Mommy, Mama see one over there so one there so. One there right there so. That's a tree me count already.
Go on, set it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that one there. So when then dropping on him damage. Take time.
Watch out, open.
Push out to his space. Yeah.
Catching the pear.
Take time.
Oh! Let me see the size.
You see the other one?
Oh.
What is?
Pear number 1. One there right above.
Something wrong with me.
One there out the road too, so Mommy probably have to go up on the road. Oh dear.
Mama, mind me sitting them.
Mr. I sit there dropping the head, you know.
See one there? You can't catch it.
Mommy, they want to spray.
This one? Yeah. You know if you can't catch it.
Watch out. Broke you off then and take you out your way.
Take time.
Oh, we think I. You pick?
Kind of should be.
Out.
Wait. That should be it. Kind of should be out to you.
So we try to catch a pear, guys.
Catch it.
Oh, good catch. Good catch. So one is on the roadside. See me, I look funny there.
Nobody can go.
You puppy off, Mommy, are you? Come on, now come on there, so. You have to go out on the roadside. Hey you, good morning. How are you doing today? Great. Who is in charge of subscribing to my YouTube channel? You are? The reason? The reason that when did they already, mommy? Are you fling it down there?
No. You come there, come see.
The reason I'm talking to you today.
Somebody that shop. Somebody that shop?
Somebody there. The reason I'm talking to you today, we're running a promotion on this high-speed channel. And I know once you watch my videos, you're definitely going to love them. The proof is in the content. You know, let me just make up that. Pure.
It is shaking.
That means they're almost right.
Yeah, like take a day and then it's right.
So why are you guys picking it off the tree?
Because then the people and they pick them off and make we pick them off.
There
was 5.
Yes.
Done. And now it's 3.
Yeah.
So we just pick
Somebody got it too.
Yeah, somebody got it 2.
You sure?
I'm Monday, me picking and left the 4. We said 2 for cherry. Me left it.
I went 5, you ain't say?
And Cherry say, I think she 1. So I said, Cherry, make me pick it. Take 3 and give me 2. Then God wait. So make me see what they know.
Make it area them to put down.
Wait, they pair them down there.
Make it area them.
If they don't pick more, they panic.
Good morning.
Morning. Skylife, the living the world in.
Yeah, me have a little last one. This is one that's
Come give me a review of your flowers.
Which tree? Yes, maybe,
So guys, I'm going to show you some of the flowers that Mommy has on her veranda, and she's going to tell you what are the types. She's a flowers person, so she know them, I know them.
It's a snake plant.
And when I say when up here, so pop off, what happen?
It stopped going and we'll go no further. Good morning. This is a small version of the snake plant with cocoa flowers.
Oh yes, with the purple.
This is anthurium. Mini anthurium not blooming as yet. This is
Palm.
palm tree.
Go on and come.
This,
You know? You gonna feel the difference with how you feel. Watch out.
Sure.
Ah, God. Take up the energy bag, give me.
This,
The energy.
this.
That's the eye show. But we don't have back like I do trouble. So, I'm gonna drink that and pour this for the day on the farm and around the yard. Okay? Okay?
Nature burst.